What's up, witches? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are making ceramic pumpkins, and we're going to be doing this What's Up Witches design using our Cricut machine and images from Cricut Design Space. I have used vinyl and then I've painted onto my ceramic pumpkin as well. And here's how I did it. So I started with acrylic paint and I did a couple of layers of this purple colour, which I created using a pinky red colour that I found in Sostrine and Green, as well as some blue, and then lots and lots of white, as it was quite dark, so trying to get it to that lighter lilac colour is where I wanted it to be. I then used gold for the stem of the pumpkin as well. This one is from Hobbycraft. It's one of my firm favourites for gold paint. I always buy this one in, and I think that the colour choices together worked really well. I then used my Cricut Maker 3 to create all of the little images that would go on top of my pumpkin, as well as the saying, "What's up, witches?" I used smart vinyl, which means I didn't need to use a cutting mat, and I just love that we can do that now with the Cricut Maker 3 and Cricut Explore 3 machines. And then I weeded my designs so that I had them all ready to go to stick on my pumpkin. I then added all my vinyl pieces onto my pumpkin. I thought about including transfer tape and transferring it over this way, as it would have made my life much easier, as I cannot live without transfer tape. However, I was worried that the transfer tape may lift some of the paint off of my ceramic pumpkin, and this had only dried yesterday, so I thought it would be safer to use my hands instead. So I just went really slowly, lifting it off and then smoothing it down with my fingers. So yeah, you could use transfer tape if you would like, and you definitely get a more precise image look and feel with transfer tape, and I would just recommend leaving your pumpkin to dry for a couple of days before using your transfer tape, just in case any paint lifts off. And just like magic, you have your own What's Up Witches themed pumpkin. It's going to look great with my pumpkin from last year, which was a ghoul and ghost themed pumpkin, and it was super pink. And if you'd like to see that, I've put a link in my bio of where you can find that tutorial. But I hope you enjoyed this one, and happy Halloween, happy pumpkin crafting.